Good morning, children. Today we will discuss about exercise 11.4 Pythagoras property in a right angle triangle. Pythagoras property in a right angle triangle. In a right angle triangle. In a right angle triangle, what is Pythagoras property? So first of all, we discuss about Pythagoras property. What is Pythagoras property? In a right angle triangle, what is right angle triangle? Such a type of triangle in which angle of its triangle is right angle, that is called right angle triangle. As you can see in this figure, in this triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degree. Why? Because AB is also perpendicular to BC. So here this side is also called here hypotenuse, and this side is also called base, and this is called perpendicular. Okay. So in any right angle triangle, by Pythagoras theorem, here the square of the hypotenuse is equal to remain the square of the other two sides of the triangle. The squares of the other two sides of the triangle. So BC square plus BC is equal to base. First of all, we have to write here base square plus perpendicular square Okay. From here BC, that hypotenuse, the side hypotenuse is AC. So AC square is equal to also BC square plus perpendicular square, and here in this figure your perpendicular AB square. From here we find that AC is equal to under root BC square plus AB square. For any other example, if we take BC as 3 and AB is equal to 5, then we will have to find the value of AC. Then what will be the value of AC? So by this equation or by this formula, we get that AC square is equal to, or AC is equal to under root BC square. Here BC is equal to 3 meter or centimeter. We take here unit meter. So base is equal to 3 meter. So 3 square plus AB, here given that AB perpendicular 5 meter. So 5 meter square. Here we find that 3 3 is 9 plus 5 5 is 25 in meter square. Under root, then AC will be, AC is equal to 9 plus 25, 3 3 is 9, 5 5 is 25, the 9 5 14 for 1 to 3, 34 meter square. Then so this is the value of AC here. Okay. Again, if we have to find or we have to try this this property any other type of triangle, so you can have applied, and but this is a condition. You have only right angle triangle. This property is used only right angle triangle, not any other type of triangle. Okay. So here your first problem given that determine which of the following are the sides of a right angle triangle. Okay. So here given that problem number first, A is equal to 6, B is equal to 8, C is equal to 10. C is equal to 10 centimeter. Given that, then first of all we have to check that the square of the biggest side is equal to the sum of the square of the other two sides of the triangle. So from here we find that C square is equal to also A square plus B square. C square is equal to must be A square plus B square. So from here we find C square is equal to A square, 6 square plus B square, 8 square, then C is equal to 10 given that. So from here we have to put the value of C equal to 10 here. 10 square, then 10 square is equal to 100 is equal to 36 plus 64. So 100 is equal to 6 for 10, 0, 1, 6, 10. 100 is equal to 100. So this also satisfies the property. Okay. So you have to find this again. Here we have given that height of a pole is 4 meters. Suppose that you have a pole, the height of a pole is 4 meters. Given that, find the length of the rope. Find the length of rope tied with its top from a point on the ground at a distance of 3 meters from its bottom. So from its bottom here, nearly about 3 meter distance. This is 3 meters. Find the length of the rope tied with its top from a point on the ground at a distance of 3 meters from its bottom. So from its bottom, 3 meter distance. Suppose that a rope tied from it. So what will be the value or what will be the length of the rope which is tied with the top of the poles, and distance will be the distance 3 meter from the bottom of the triangle. Okay. So from here bottom of the pole. So from here we have to find this. Here given that this is A, this point will be B, and this point will C. So from here we can say AC square. We can have to apply Pythagoras theorem. So by PT rule, we find AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Then AC square is equal to AB square. AB is given that 4 meter square plus 3 meter square is equal to 16 meter square plus 3 3 9 meter square. Then AC square is equal to 16 meter square plus 9 meter square. Then AC is equal to under root 16 plus 9 is equal to 25 meter square. Then AC is equal to the root of 25 meter square is equal to 5 meter. So this is your answer. So the value of this side AC will be 5 meter. So this is the required answer. Now you have to solve your next problem, and I will also see these problems next day because time is over, and we stop our writing. Thank you children. Thank you.